Hey everyone, you bought a new motherboard and you can install any operating system. You can load the operating system from any of your drive and how to resolve that. Let's go to the BIOS and look at this storage information. Probably you have the Intel RAID storage technology. You just need to switch it over to Advanced Host Controller interface. And first, by default, this field is empty. There is nothing by default here. And let's go to XMP and try to touch it. For example, turn it off or just turn it on. And after this manipulation, this panel automatically spawn here. I have no idea why, just probably it's something on the developer side. And after that you need to turn it off and reboot your computer. After that, all of your devices will be using the regular advanced host controller interface, and after that you can install any operating system you want or load from your current Windows. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.